All right, we've got the clock. Let's go get the moon, huh? Now, the moon doesn't have a center defined. And I know some people are going to want to use a quick selection tool here, but the black creeps in on this shadow on the side of the moon, and you're going to get a rough edge, and you want a complete circle. So again, the elliptical marquee right here, come down about to the center. Start dragging, hold down Option, hold down Shift and Option at the same time. Get out close to the edge and see how I'm towards the bottom and the right. Just hold the space bar while holding down the right or the left mouse button, Option and Shift. Okay, you reposition it, let go of the Shift key, pull it out some more, hold down the Shift key again, reposition it. This is kind of a dance. You got to watch what's going on. And, you know, the moon is not a perfectly circular object either. So we're just doing the best we can. We're not going to get an absolutely perfect selection. Now, this looks pretty darn good. I might just nudge it just a little bit to the right. You can use those arrow keys, and then remember, Command J jumps it to a new layer. Turn that layer off. There's your moon. You don't have any black around the outside. If you've got black edges, you know, you selected some of space, you probably want to throw this layer away. Just click and drag it down to that trash can and try it again. Okay, that's just something you should do. Get the Move tool, click on the moon, pull it up to the composite, and pull it down and drop it. Now, let's come back. We'll resize. We'll center these things. We'll position them over each other and proceed to wrap this up. There are so many other things we could do to enhance this image and make it better. But for right now, I'm just trying to give you an overview of compositing. It has to do with selections, combining things on multiple layers, and a little bit of creative thought.